In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication on Wise. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is an important step in securing your online accounts. It essentially adds an extra layer of security, making it harder for unauthorized users to access your sensitive information. So let's dive right into the practical steps to enable this feature on your Wise account. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wise account. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to the Wise homepage, and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you should be on your account dashboard. Great, we're off to a good start. Now, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to your account settings, where several options are available to customize your Wise experience. As we proceed, locate the option labeled Security and Privacy. Click on that. This section is crucial as it contains all your security settings, including the 2FA feature we want to enable. It's always a good habit to review your security settings regularly. Once you're in the Security and Privacy section, find the area for two-step verification. It may take a moment to locate, but it's an essential step for enhancing your account security. Click on that link to continue. Here you'll see the option to turn off automatic verification, which is necessary to set up the Authenticator app. Go ahead and click on the option that says Authenticator app. This will enable you to link your Wise account with your Authenticator application on your smartphone. Next, click on Start Pairing. At this point, your Wise account will be ready to connect with your chosen Authenticator app. This is where you need to follow the on-screen instructions carefully to pair the two successfully. Once you click on Start Pairing, you'll be prompted to enter a one-time password, or OTP. Fill in that space with the code that's generated, and then click on Done. This is a critical step as it links your app to your Wise account. Now comes the fun part. You will need to scan a QR code with the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Make sure you have the Google Authenticator app installed already. Take out your smartphone, open the app, and scan the QR code you see on your screen. After scanning, click Continue on your Wise account to move forward. Now, your Google Authenticator will start generating codes for your Wise account. To test that everything is working smoothly, enter the Authenticator code provided by the app and hit Confirm Code. This ensures that your Wise account recognizes and verifies the Authenticator app. If all goes well, you should see a confirmation stating that your Authenticator app is now paired with your Wise account. This means you've successfully added an extra layer of security, which is fantastic. Before you finish, make sure to click on Done to finalize your setup. And just like that, you've enabled two-factor authentication on your Wise account. Thank you for following along. Security is essential when it comes to managing your finances online, and enabling two-factor authentication is a great step toward keeping your account safe. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and give this video a thumbs up. Stay safe online and see you in the next video.